Good morning, everybody. So, let us continue with the story of the play, The Pygmalion. We have already completed the Act 3 in it. We are done with it. We are on Act 4. Okay, Act 4 is really tiny, it's really short. And then we have Act 5 left, and then we'll be done with our play. After we are finished with our play, I'll be teaching you question answers, and I'll also be putting material for the same, like how we did for with David Copperfield, so that you don't have any doubts regarding it. Okay, so let us now continue with the story of Pygmalion, and that is Act 4 in it. Last we know that Lisa had visited the three people, okay, Freddie, Clara, and Freddie's mother, that is Mrs. Hill. Okay, and now let us see what has happened. Okay, there is Act 4 now. The Wimpole Street Laboratory, midnight, nobody in the room. The clock on the mantelpiece strikes 12. The fire is not alight, it is summer night. Presently, Higgins and Pickering are heard on the stairs. So what happens is that it is around 12 o'clock at night, okay, and and Higgins and Higgins અને જે Pickering જે છે એ પોતાની લેબોરેટરીમાં આવી રહ્યા છે. રાતના 12 વાગ્યા છે. The clock, okay, is struck midnight. Okay, જે ક્લોક હોય ને આમ ટિંગ ટિંગ પછી લાઈક કેવો 12 વાગે એટલે અલાર્મ જેવું વાગે. So there is an alarm sort of a thing at 12 o'clock. There is no fire at fireplace because it is summertime. Summertime છે એટલે fire ની જરૂર નથી. And both Higgins and Pickering, they are walking on the steps. They are going towards the laboratory. Higgins, I say Pick, look up, will you? I shan't be going out again. Okay, so Higgins is telling Pickering that please can you go pick someone up, okay, whom they are talking will come to know. I don't have time. That's what Higgins says. Please go and pick them up. I don't have time. Pickering, right. Can Mrs. Pierce go to bed? We don't want anything more, do we? So Pickering is like, can Mrs. Pierce go to bed? Can Mrs. Pierce go to sleep? We don't require anything from her. Can she go to sleep? Higgins, Lord, no. Higgins is like, Lord, no, she can't go to sleep, okay? Lisa opens the door and is seen on a lightly landing on an opera clock, brilliant evening dress and diamonds with fan, flowers and all accessories. She comes to the earth and stitches on the electric lights there. She is tired. Her pallor constantly stronger with her dark eyes and hair, and her expression is very tragic. She takes off her cloak, puts her fan and flowers on a piano, and sits down on a bench, brooding and silent. Higgins, in an evening dress with overcoat and hat, comes in silent. Higgins, in the evening dress with overcoat and hat, comes carrying a smoking jacket which he has picked downstairs. He takes off the hat, overcoat, throws them carelessly on the newspaper stand, disposes of his coat in the same way, puts on a smoking jacket, and throws himself wearily in an easy chair at hearth. Pickering, similarly attired, comes in. He takes off his hat and overcoat and is about to throw them on Higgins when he hesitates. So what happens is, at this point of time, Lisa comes in. Okay, Lisa is wearing a cloak. Cloak એટલે શું? મોટો ઓવરકોટ. આપણે હેરી પોટરમાં જોયું હશે કે હેરી પોટરની બધા લાંબો એવો કોટ પહેરે. That is called overcoat. So Lisa is wearing an overcoat. Inside that, she is wearing an evening dress. Evening dress is what? Like a party dress sort of a thing she is wearing. Okay, she's carrying fans, she's carrying diamonds, okay, and she removes the overcoat, she removes her hat, she puts it on a piano, and she's sitting on a chair. Similarly, Higgins also removes his overcoat, okay, no, je coat che, he removes his overcoat, he's sitting on a chair, and Pickering has also come in and he has also removed his coat, okay. Pickering, I say Mrs. Pierce will row if we leave these things lying about in the drawing room. So Pickering is saying that it will be really hard for Mrs. Pierce to clean everything up. અગર આપણે બધું લિવિંગ રૂમની અંદર આવી રીતના ફેંકીને વયા જશું તો બિચારી મિસિસ પિયર્સ પર બધું કામ આવી જશે. Okay, so that's what Pickering is saying, that if we keep everything like this lying around, it will be a lot of work for Mrs. Pierce to do. Higgins, oh, chuck them over banisters into the hall. She will find them there in the morning and put them away. All right, she will think we were drunk. So Higgins is like, it's okay, we can leave anything around. She will think we were drunk. She will think કે આપણે પીવીને આવ્યા હતા એટલે આપણે લોકો આમનામ બધી વસ્તુ ફેંકીને વયા ગયા. It's okay. Okay, Higgins is saying like that. Higgins, Pickering, we are slightly. Are there any letters? So Pickering is asking, are there any letters? Have we received any letters? I didn't look. I wonder where the devil my slippers are. So Higgins is like, I didn't look. I don't know if I received any letters or not, but I can't find my slippers. I don't know where my slippers are. Lisa looks at him darkly, then leaves the room. Higgins yawns again and resumes his song. Pickering returns with the contents of the letter box in his hand. So at this time, Lisa goes away, looks at Higgins. She goes away in her room. And Pickering has gone to bring the letters and has brought all the letters. Pickering. Only circulars and concreted billet dukes for you. So it's like only circulars are there. Circular advertisement types of letters are there. There's nothing much for you. Okay, for who? Higgins. Higgins, money lender. Okay, so he's looking at the letters and he's like, okay, a bhada bharwano letter aayo. I've got a letter from a money lender. I've got this letter. I've got that letter. So he's looking at the letters. Okay, so he's received a letter from money lender. Money lender એટલે ભાડું જેને આપણે આપીએ એની આગળથી એને લેટર આવ્યો હતો. Lisa returns with a large pair of down at heel slippers. She places them on the carpet before Higgins and sits as before without a word. So Lisa brings the slippers, puts it next to the Higgins, does not say anything and goes back to sitting on the chair. Oh Lord, what a evening, what a crew, what a silly tomfoolery. Okay. Oh, that's there, are they? So Higgins is like, today was an evening. Okay, he yawns. Okay, પછી બગાસું ખાય છે. આજની શામ તો આજની શામ હતી. Okay, there was so much of dancing, singing and everything. That's what Higgins is saying. આજની શામ તો આજની શામ હતી. Like how we say, અરે what a day I had. આજે કેવો દિવસ નીકળો મારો. Same thing Higgins is saying. Pickering. Well, I feel a bit tired. It's been a long day. The garden party, a dinner party, and an opera. Rather too much of good thing. But you have won your bet, Higgins. Lisa did the trick with something to spare. So he's like, yeah, but it was very, very tiring. Okay? This whole thing that we had today's day in general was very, very tiring. That's what Pickering says. He said first we went to a party, then we went to a... He says first we went to a garden party, then we went to a dinner party, and then we went for an opera. Opera is what? Like a singing concert. So there was too much for one day. Too many good things happening on one day. But I have to say that you have done a very good work on Eliza. I think most of the people believed that she's from a good class family. So I think you might have won your bet. That's what Pickering says. Pickering એમ કહે છે કે અરે આજનો દિવસ તો બહુ જ થાક લાગે એવો હતો. પહેલાં આપણે ગાર્ડન પાર્ટીમાં ગયા, પછી ડિનર પાર્ટીમાં ગયા, પછી આપણે લોકો ઓપેરા માટે ગયા. અને હું ફોર શ્યોર કહી શકું છું કે તું બેટ જીતી ગયો છો because Lisa has impressed almost everyone. Thank God it is over. Lisa flinches violently, but they take no notice at her and she recovers her steps stonily as before. So Higgins is like, thank God everything is over. At this point of time, Lisa is showing lot of aggressive behavior. Aggressive એટલે ગુસ્સામાં છે એવું દેખાડે છે. But આ લોકો નોટિસ નથી કરતા Higgins ને Pickering. હજી સુધી એ લોકોને ખબર નથી પડી કે આનો મૂડ